Good morning and happy Monday. We're starting a new math lesson today, as you saw from the video above. We are talking about customary units of measurement this week. But before we jump into that, let's do a warm-up problem for today. All right, so imagine you're in the room and you're heading to your 360 boards. Here's your warm-up problem. Dr. Primrose is a traveling scientist who visits different schools each day. Today, she is making storm jars with the 5th graders at Fry Elementary School using shaving cream, water, and food coloring. Dr. Primrose needs to bring 1 5/10 kilograms of shaving cream with her to the school. If each can has 300 grams of shaving cream, how many cans should Dr. Primrose bring? So this problem takes you back to what we learned last week. So right now, pause the video, solve the problem, and then jump back on to see if your answer is the same one that I got. All right, pause now. All right, so I got my problem kind of set up to go through with you. Hopefully you have your answer. So let's go through the problem. We know that Dr. Primrose needs 1 5/10 kilograms, but the cans of shaving cream are measured in grams. So we need to do some conversion to solve this problem. So I need to do 1 5/10 kilograms equals how many grams? So I've got my stair steps here, and I know that I'm going from kilograms to grams, which is my base unit. That's big to small, multiply them all. So I'm going to take 1 5/10 and multiply it by 1, 2, 3 hops is 3 zeros. That gives me 1,000, or 10 to the power of 3. So I'm going to multiply it by 1,000. I say, is that a power of 10 IC? Then all you got to do is listen to me. There's only one rule. That's not a lot. All you got to do is move that dot, multiply to the right, to the right, to the right, divide to the left, to the left, to the left. So we're going to take 1 5/10 and we're going to hop it 1, 2, 3 times to the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. If you see a blank space, put a 0 in. So we know that 1 5/10 kilograms is the same thing as 1,500 grams. So now let's go back to the problem. Instead of 1 5/10 kilograms, I can say that she has 1,500 grams is what she needs. It comes in cans of 300. So I need to figure out how many cans that's going to be. So I am going to need to do a division problem. 1,500 divided by 300. Well, I know that 300 cannot go into 1, 15, or 150, so I've got to put it into 1,500. Using my knowledge of our base 10 number system, I can kind of just not look at these zeros here, and I can see 3 and 15. I know that 3 can go into 15 5 times, so it should make sense that 300 can go into 1,500 5 times as well. Let's see if that's true. 300 times 5, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 3 is 15. Look, we were right. Subtract and you get 0. So to answer the question, how many cans should Dr. Primrose bring? She should bring 5 cans. Did you get 5 cans? Hopefully you did.